Hey guys, it's your guy Bo here, and today we have a very special episode because we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Not the unboxing video that I told you guys about. This is a different item. But what we're going to be unboxing is a virtual reality headset. Now, you guys might think I'm a cheapskate, but I'm not. I got this at the Toys R Us near Concord Mills that's going out of business, and it was for $15, so why not get it? So, I'm going to take it out. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting these for so long. What is this? I'll take this out. What is this? But one thing I want to know is where do you put your phone in to? Now, if you guys are thinking like I'm stupid, but it's just that I've never had a virtual reality headset before. So I don't know how to... Oh, are there even any instructions? No, there's just wipes. How do I open this? I don't want to break this, but I don't know how to unbox this. Does it show a picture? Oh, here are the instructions. Okay. Oh, you pull it out. I'm so stupid. So I'll have to take my phone out of its case for this, and I'll get this set up and I'll get working on it. And yeah, this is the best thing I've ever gotten, so I'll see you guys in the next video once I finish setting this up. Bye!